Good morning, Papua New Guinea. This na part 4 long training lo me lo micro hydropower, how you can generate in power. Please ordering this na book lo me 100 kinata solna mi bla basalim lo you lo giving you more information lo how lo you can work in own power beam. So now you looking at the diagram. Warastapla mountain. Only come down spinning turbine. It's a turbine sap long. You couple him to pulley 1, like all generator, pulley 2. Now you but turn him like generator long, giving you power of voltage. Generator and more important. Lo generator you look in, you can kiss him the left hand side voltage. You can kiss him AC or you can kiss him DC. Now lo AC you can see 240 volts, 110 volts, 50 volts. Now you can connect him with one black and transformer along, bring voltage come on top, or you can use him, this convert him, convert him to DC and a charging battery. And then you can use him in better BU along when him converting go back to DC, AC. Okay, you looking upside. You can put him on like car alternator, one time regulator, long him. Now you kiss him 12 volts, or 24 volts, or 48 volts. You can now charge him battery. Now you use him this battery, use him inverter. Now convert him come back to 240 volts 50 hertz PNG power system. Okay, you look in this book. Voltage and related low speed. Generator in on upload generating 240 volts and must run low rated speed long sampler generator by you looking most 240 volts 1500 RPM and minimum all same you must run him generator of 1500 RPM you kiss him 240 volts. Suppose you him low voltage and that you look and worry you got way low bring come back in low 240 volts 50 hertz. Okay, suppose the side of DC 12 volts. Suppose you look in 12 volts. 12 volts some alternators. You must run in low 750 RPM. When I'm rating the alternator, suppose you talk 750 RPM 12 volts. This alternator I must run low 750 RPM using 12 volt DC. Suppose alternator I may run low half that speed. You maximum half the voltage. Voltage and directly related to speed. You must understand him slow. Suppose you know kissing voltage long. Plus you say long now you put in the generator and because speed you am wrong. You need to select him pulley size long giving you speed blow driving generator. Now you can kiss him the true voltage you like him long him. You kiss him under, you no can worry, you got way long. Kiss him go back on top. Or you can use him stuff under, you may use him to charging battery. Now then convert him back along AC. Thank you very much, Papua New Guinea. Please order in book from me. Now you back is more reading, but me got link to YouTube. Now you can download him this training from me. Now you can look him, but me suggest him. You order in book here 100 kina. Me sell him this book you by post to your mail, and then me by giving you link so that you can now go through the full video training. Long seven or this me available or giving you some more advice. You can ring me 7032 9730.